All right, YouTube, we have another great banger. We have Steve Barber's debut build of his brand new system. We go through a complete walk-around interview, and he tells us everything about this vehicle in and out. You want to make sure you stay tuned to this one again as we give you the entire build log and show you from 4 years of progress from his very last system to where he is today. So stay locked in and watch it end. Thank you.
I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting this, so got him about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly bound. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me I'm a rider. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, just the international player with a passport. Just like a Latin switch, get you anything you ask for. Either him or me, the champagne in the sea, favor than my homies when we fall on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed, beat what my flows need. Make some emojis funk you don't need. Approaching women. I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting this, so got him about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly bound. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking quick to me, but I can't comprehend the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then here's your chance to 180 on the freeway. Catch me if you can, but give me I'm a rider. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, just the international player with a passport. Just like a Latin switch, get you anything you ask for. Either him or me, the champagne in the sea, favor than my homies when we fall on our enemies. Witness as we creep to a low speed, beat what my flows need. Make some emojis funk you don't need. Approaching women. I love the way you activate your hips and push your ass out. Got a brother wanting this, so got him about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just to leave.
That's nasty. That's nasty. If you just, the amount of money that is in this, if I can just explain it to you.
These things, how much are these? These are all different.
Those about, what horse, what are
Are these
those?
batteries? These are the batteries?
No, those, that big one at the bottom is batteries.
This is the battery?
Yeah. I have no idea what those are. But they're probably 800 a piece, probably 1,000 a piece, something like that. I don't know. Probably. I saw this thing yesterday. I get this thing.
Get you demo in like probably a half hour. I gotta hit the sub school. I just played for 30
Okay,
minutes.
not issue. What can I do this real quick? Can I mic you up?
Sure.
And you like, you can hold it or mic up.
Okay,
And I want you to tell me everything about it, you know what I'm saying? And
Okay.
just whatever you want me to know about it.
Okay, tell me when you're ready. You ready?
We're ready.
All right. My name's Steve, co-owner of Shtnonm. This is my Explorer Move Air V2.
Go ahead, clip your ear.
Clip it.
Yeah, go ahead, clip your ear.
Start over?
No, go
Oh,
ahead.
you're good? Okay. It's the version 2 of this build. It's all steel from head to toe. It's got 9 Kicker Solo X15s, 9 Kicker Warhorse 3600s on the subs, and a bunch of kicker amps for the mids and highs. It's got, let me think here, 4, 8, 12. It's got 28 ST9 mids and 4, 8, 12, and 20 ST4 tweeters. It's loud. It'll do like a 65 at the headrest under at like 37 hertz.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
So, how long did this stunt wall up here take you to build?
I started this build in 2020, so 4.5 years.
Oh my
to
goodness.
get it to this point. Yeah.
Are we
I
talking?
mean, there was parts where it just sat, where it didn't get touched, you know.
Of course.
But it got gutted in 2020.
Are we talking steel cage? Or are we talking as far as
It's literally everything's steel.
Okay.
Everything. I mean, the roof, the floor, the box. It's caged. It's full of concrete pour foam. It's all steel. The only wood is really the door panels.
Okay.
And just the baffle skin, but everything else is steel.
Okay. What can you tell us about these amplifiers?
So these are the Warhorse 3600s. And each one of these meters each amp. So like if I were to click this, it'll show me the lowest voltage. And then it'll show me the highest voltage.
Also, it's pretty much like holding the volt, so you get out here, you can find out
the lowest you hit during that whole run. Yeah.
Okay,
and
so like an extra clamp meter, so you can.
And it'll tell you temperature and all that good stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, those monitor the amps basically. So there's 9 of the Warhorses here, and then underneath it, there's another 4 amps, 1 DSP and 3 amps, I should say.
How much power is each one of these amplifiers?
They're about 5K, about 5,000 watts each.
And they're wired at
half an ohm.
They're half ohm each?
Half ohm each.
Oh my gosh.
And the battery is a Warpath Energy. 174 amp hour skid bank. And the bars were built by Jim's Machines Works.
Jim Machine Works?
Yeah.
That is awesome. That's awesome. Where can we find you guys on social media at?
Shtnonm official right here. You can follow us on Instagram, and basically all of our social medias are Shtnonm. So,
awesome, man. I can't wait to hear this thing, man. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
How was it?
Yeah, I can hear that door slapping.
No, it's not all of
They're good. How was it, my guy?
Beans there, man.
Nasty. Man, how did you build that bench?
With the CNC.
Really? Yeah.
As my conscience
out. I'll get out. No, why so violent? Why? Thank you. Love it. Oh my God.
As my
Everybody's going back to
without no auto-tune.
Uh-oh, we got a tapper. We got a tapper.
Man, it was worth it though. It broke my heart, man. Shit.
Oh.